Ever dreamed of exploring the Moon's craters, Saturn's rings, or distant galaxies from your own backyard? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best astronomical reflector telescopes that make stargazing exciting, accessible, and unforgettable. Let's dive right in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Gskyer Astronomical Reflector Telescopes. The Gskyer Astronomical Reflector Telescope is designed to bring the wonders of the night sky closer with clarity and ease of use. Featuring superior optics, it comes equipped with a 400mm focal length and a 70mm aperture. Its fully coated glass lenses with high transmission coatings not only enhance image quality but also protect the eyes, making it an excellent choice for viewing the moon, stars, and other celestial bodies. To expand exploration, the telescope includes 2 interchangeable eyepieces, along with a 3x Barlow lens, which triples the magnification power of each eyepiece. This ensures flexibility in magnification, whether you are observing broad star clusters or zooming in on the moon's craters. A 5x24 finder scope with crosshair lines further assists in quickly and accurately locating celestial objects. Modern astronomy meets convenience with the inclusion of a smartphone adapter and a wireless camera remote. These tools make it possible to connect your device to the telescope, enabling users to capture and share breathtaking images of the night sky with ease. Built for both beginners and enthusiasts, the telescope is supported by an adjustable aluminum alloy tripod, allowing for multiple viewing angles and stability during long observation sessions. For portability, both the telescope and tripod can be packed neatly into the provided carry bag, making it ideal for stargazing on the go. Compact, versatile, and user-friendly, the Gskyer Astronomical Reflector Telescope opens up a new window into the cosmos, making the exploration of stars and planets both accessible and enjoyable. Coming in at number 4, the Hexeum AZ80 Astronomical Reflector Telescopes. The Hexeum AZ80 Astronomical Reflector Telescope is designed to bring the wonders of the night sky closer for both kids and adults. Built with thoughtful engineering, it offers powerful magnification and user-friendly features that make stargazing more accessible. With 2 replaceable eyepieces providing 24x and 60x magnification and a 3x Barlow lens that triples their power, this telescope allows users to magnify the moon up to 72 or even 180 times. A 5x24 finder scope is included, simplifying the process of locating celestial objects for a smoother observing experience. The telescope is equipped with excellent optics, featuring a 600mm focal length and an 80mm aperture. The larger aperture captures more light, while fully multi-coated optical lenses enhance brightness and clarity, ensuring sharp and vivid images of stars, planets, and lunar details. Portability is another strong point of the AZ80. It comes with an adjustable aluminum tripod, a phone adapter for astrophotography, a wireless remote control, and a carrying bag for easy transportation. This makes it convenient to take on outdoor adventures and perfect for capturing stunning images of the cosmos. Ease of use is at the forefront of its design. No tools are required for setup, making it quick to assemble even for beginners. The focusing mechanism is simple and intuitive, allowing users to start observing in minutes without unnecessary complications. To further support users, the telescope includes lifetime maintenance services. If questions or issues arise, customer support is available with a commitment to respond within 24 hours. Reading the instruction manual during installation ensures the best setup experience and optimal use. The Hexeum AZ80 blends quality, performance, and convenience, making it a reliable choice for anyone eager to explore the universe, whether as a hobbyist or a first-time stargazer. At number 3, we have the Hawkko Astronomical Reflector Telescopes. The Hawkko Astronomical Reflector Telescope is designed to bring the wonders of the night sky closer, offering a powerful and user-friendly experience for both beginners and seasoned stargazers. With a focal length of 900 millimeters, it provides an impressive magnification range of 36x to 270x, making it well-suited for observing distant landscapes, lunar details, and celestial objects with remarkable clarity. Equipped with a 90mm large aperture lens, the telescope ensures outstanding optical performance. Its professional-grade fully multi-coated optics enhance light transmission by up to 73%, resulting in brighter, sharper, and clearer images. This advanced coating technology minimizes light loss and enhances contrast, making celestial observations more vivid and detailed. The Hawkko telescope is built with flexibility and stability in mind. Its stainless steel AZ mount tripod offers smooth 360-degree rotation and adjustable height, allowing precise object tracking and comfortable viewing angles. The sturdy construction ensures stability, whether used in the backyard, on a camping trip, or during other outdoor adventures. Ease of use is another highlight, with a setup process that takes less than 15 minutes by simply following the provided instructions. For those eager to capture their first observations, the included smartphone adapter makes astrophotography accessible. More than 80% of users successfully record images or videos of their stargazing sessions on their very first try, turning observations into memorable keepsakes. The telescope comes as a complete kit, ensuring everything needed for immediate exploration is included. Inside the package, users will find a finder scope, zenith mirror, 25mm and 10mm eyepieces, a 3x Barlow lens, AZ tripod, carry bag, accessory tray, and the smartphone adapter. Backed by reliable support, the Hawkko Astronomical Reflector Telescope is a comprehensive tool for discovering the beauty of the universe. Next up at number 2 is the Celestron Astronomical Reflector Telescopes. The Celestron Astronomical Reflector Telescope brings stargazing into the modern age with a unique blend of advanced optics and smartphone integration. Designed for both beginners and seasoned astronomy enthusiasts, this telescope makes exploring the night sky intuitive and exciting. Equipped with patented StarSense technology, it transforms your smartphone into a powerful celestial navigation system. Unlike ordinary apps, it uses sky recognition technology to analyze star patterns overhead and pinpoint your telescope's position with precision. Simply dock your phone, launch the StarSense Explorer app, and follow the on-screen arrows to effortlessly locate stars, planets, nebulae, galaxies, and clusters. The app also curates a list of tonight's best targets based on your exact time and location, making it easy to discover what's most visible in your sky. Whether under the glow of city lights or the deep darkness of rural areas, you'll have access to a wide range of celestial wonders. Its 114mm Newtonian reflector, enhanced with high reflectivity coatings, delivers crisp, detailed views of the Moon's craters, Jupiter's bands, Saturn's rings, and breathtaking deep sky favorites such as the Orion Nebula and the Andromeda Galaxy. Smooth tracking is made possible by a manual altizimuth mount with altitude slow-motion adjustments, allowing precise control when aligning with your targets. Once the on-screen bullseye turns green, the object is centered in your eyepiece, ready for clear observation. Since 1960, Celestron has been a trusted name in astronomy, and this telescope continues that legacy. Backed by strong warranty support, it offers both reliability and innovation, making it a perfect gateway into the universe for curious minds of all ages. Finally, at number 1, we have the Dianfan 150 EQ Astronomical Reflector Telescopes. The Dianfan 150 EQ Astronomical Reflector Telescope is designed to bring the wonders of the universe closer with clarity and ease of use. Built with a 150mm aperture and 650mm focal length, it captures bright, sharp, and detailed images of the night sky. Whether it's the moon's craters, planets, or even distant star clusters, its strong light-gathering ability ensures breathtaking views suitable for both beginners and seasoned astronomy enthusiasts. Families can also enjoy its accessible design, making it a shared tool for exploration and learning. At the heart of its precision lies the German-style equatorial mount, equipped with intuitive dials and slow-motion control cables for smooth, accurate tracking. Pre-assembled for convenience, it can be set up in about 20 minutes, making it friendly even to first-time users. Beyond celestial observation, the mount also supports terrestrial viewing, offering inverted daytime views of landscapes and distant objects. The telescope comes as a complete kit, making it versatile straight out of the box. It includes 2 eyepieces, a 2x Barlow lens, a red dot finder scope, a moon filter, and a phone adapter, expanding possibilities from casual stargazing to astrophotography. With magnification ranging from 26x to 130x, users can enjoy detailed views of lunar features and, under suitable conditions, explore other bright celestial objects. Stability is another key strength of the Dianfan 150 EQ, supported by a full-height stainless steel tripod. Its durable construction ensures steady, shake-free viewing, allowing for crisp and enjoyable observations. Designed for ease of setup and use, it offers a reliable and immersive experience for adults and children alike.